Yo bruv, what version are you using? So as you guys can see right here, 2026 2nd 17, that's literally the latest version. A couple weeks ago, I uploaded this video telling you guys exactly how to set up Clawdbot on our OpenClaw for beginners without a Mac Mini. Since then, it's been about 3 weeks. And by the way, you guys loved this video. It did really well. So I decided since it's been 3 weeks, I'm going to loop back around and basically explain to you guys how you can now update the bot. Because if you guys aren't following along, they're making constant updates with OpenClaw. And so I want to make sure that you guys know how to update it so you're not using the initial version that's far worse than what it is right now. All right, so let's get right into it. Now, trust me, this is going to be so simple. So first thing you want to do is you want to open up a terminal. Obviously, if you're on Windows, this is going to be CMD. If you're on Mac, then I don't even know, figure it out, bro. I'm sure you can use ChatGPT or something, right? Now, if you're using a VPS, you want to connect to the IP of the VPS. To do that, you simply just do SSH root at then the IP. Obviously, a lot of this is going to be blurred out for you guys, but just put that command in. It'll take a second to connect, and then you're ready to go. If you have this installed, like if you have Clawdbot or OpenClaw installed on a physical machine, then I don't believe you'll have to do this. You can simply just start off where I'm about to go. So after you're connected, the next thing that you want to do, and by the way, you can see it's connected because it'll say root at whatever the name of your VPS is, whatever you named it at the start. And obviously, if you don't know how to do all of that, guys, I literally have a video in the background about how to do it. You can see it literally right here. But then just paste this command right here so you can check what OpenClaw version that you're currently on. So we'll just do openclaw -version. By the way, guys, all of these will be either in the description or the comment or something like that, okay? So you can see here we're on 2026 2nd 17th, which is literally the latest one, which might mess up with however I'm updating this right now. Obviously, if I have the latest one, but let me then put in the next command, which is going to be openclaw -update. We can go ahead and enter that. I'm not sure what it's going to do right here, considering I already have the latest updated one, but as you can see, it's going to go ahead and run this little UI saying that it's updating OpenClaw and updating via package manager, and I'll get back to you guys once it finishes. All right, guys, so as you can see right here, it's finished running. Now, this is a slightly different thing that came up than when I actually updated it for real. Right now, I'm just kind of doing a re-demonstration of what I originally did, but I'm assuming it's coming up with this because, you know, I already updated it to the latest version. So this time it's saying to verify with openclaw gateway status once the gateway is back. Oops. So we're just going to paste that and run it. But what it did for me initially when I first did this is that it asked me, I don't even care about any of this, but it asked me this. I'm just going to paste it so you guys can see. It essentially said enable bash shell completion for OpenClaw. I said yes, which I encourage you guys to do as well. And then it said installing completion, whatever. After that, it said it came up with 3 different commands that it essentially said to do, which were these commands right here. I'm just going to, I don't even know, bro. These are the commands that it said to do. So it said to start with openclaw gateway install, then go with openclaw gateway, and then do this last command right here. I will make something very clear with you guys, okay? I've seen 101 different ways that people are going about doing this and what comes up after they do the update OpenClaw thing, the original OpenClaw update command that I showed you guys. Whatever comes up, guys, literally just take a screenshot if you're confused, put it in ChatGPT or Gemini or Claude and ask them, based on my setup, I'm on Windows, or based on my setup, I'm on Mac, you know, can you tell me what to do? Because I didn't actually end up using these 3 commands, even though that's kind of what it's said to do in the terminal. Instead, what I ended up using was these 4 commands, which I'm going to show you guys right here. So I ended up running these 4 commands right here. I have no idea what any of this means. This is simply what ChatGPT told me to run. So I ran this one at the top, then I ran the gateway install, then I ran this one, and then I ran this one. And after I did that, I opened up my Telegram. Let me open it up right here. And then I said, yo, bruv, what version are you using? Obviously, if you guys didn't already know, my OpenClaw is called Goku. And okay, well, it's telling me that's not what I'm asking about. Nah, I mean, what version of OpenClaw? And by the way, guys, I highly encourage you to switch to Claude Sonnet 4.6. It has a 1 million context window and it's way more cost effective than our Opus 4.6 is. So as you guys can see right here, 2026 2nd 17, that's literally the latest version. And yeah, after that, guys, I know it might have been a little bit confusing in that second part after you run the initial update, but like I said, it's so easy if you literally just screenshot it, send it to your favorite LLM and say, yo, bruv, what do I do? That's literally what I did. That's what you need to do. It's easy.